Hey everyone, before we jump into today's lesson, I just want to remind you that the Sketch Club on School is officially open. This is a brand new space I'm super excited to share with you because not only do you get to share your artwork with me, but we get to share in your creative journey together. So at the end of this lesson, I want you to click the link down below, send in your drawing, and I look forward to seeing what you create. Now let's get on with today's lesson. What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Goomba from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw that fold in between the brow. So we start over on the left side. We're going to draw a half oval. We're going to come down towards the bottom, round this out, and then pull that up towards the right. Now I want to tuck the eyebrows in behind. So we're going to start on the left side. Start with a curve that goes out and then up. And then we're just going to bend this across and then down towards the tip of the eyebrow. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're just going to line this up, going out and up, and then bend that down towards the end. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting from the end, we're going to go higher up in the middle, come down and in, and then taper in towards that fold. Let's do the same thing on the right. Go up, go higher in the middle, and then pull that down towards the end. Let's tuck two ovals for the eyes underneath the brow. So we start on the left side, coming down towards the bottom of the eye, round this out, and then pull that up underneath. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, round out the eye, go up, and then in. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval. Going up, and then back in. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's add a small circle along the top of each pupil for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move down underneath the eyes and draw a curve for the mouth, starting all the way over on the left. We're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then down. And then we're going to add two fangs pointing up along the corners of the mouth. Let's start up here. We're going to bend this up towards the top. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to create a point, bend this in, and then back down towards the mouth. Let's go all the way back up to the top. We're going to draw a curve for the head, starting on top of the left brow. We're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then down. Now let's go underneath the eyebrows. We're going to bend the head, coming down and then out. Let's round up the cheeks, go around the corner of the mouth, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to push the center of the chin. So we're going to start back on the left. We're going to go up in the middle, bend this down, and then flatten that out. Now over on the left side of the page, we're going to draw the bottom of the foot with an oval. So we start down here. Just going to angle that oval coming in towards the heel, go up, and then closing that off. Now I'm going to layer the body in behind that foot, starting on the left side of the head, bend this out and then down. Now we want to continue that curve towards the inside of the foot, going around the bottom, and just pulling that back up underneath the head on the right. Let's draw that same size oval on the right side underneath the body. So we're going to start right here, draw that same angle, going around, and then in behind. Let's go back to the left foot. We're going to draw a smaller oval across the heel from here, going up, and then back down. Now I'm going to switch back to my thick black marker. We're going to fill the inside of the eyebrows. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Goomba from Super Mario. And once you're done, I want you to share your artwork into the Sketch Club on School, and you can do that by clicking the link down in the description below to start your 7-day free trial. And don't forget, by joining today, you get access to all our courses and workshops and all our membership features. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.